Hi guys, welcome back again. Today in this video I'm gonna show you that how to auto shut down a Windows computer daily at a given or a specific time. So for that, first of all, you have to open a Windows task scheduler as like here. Now we have to create a schedule task. So for click on the create basic task link, which is placed on the top right of the task scheduler window. When you click on this, another window will be open. So provide the task name. You can write any name. I am simply writing here auto shutdown, and now click on the next button. Now you have to select an option according to your choice. I'm choosing daily because I need to shut down my computer daily on a specific time. And now click on the next button and you go to the next time section. In this section we have to select a specific time when we want to auto shut down our operating system in a selected time. I'm selecting here 10:05. This is for demo purpose because my current time is around 10 o'clock. Now click on the next button. In this section, click on the browse and select the shutdown.exe from C Windows System 32 folder. Also add an optional parameter /s where s is indicating to the shutdown. Now click on the next button. Here you can review all the settings what you have to do. And finally click on the finish button. This is done and your system is ready to auto shut down at the given time. When this process has been successfully done, you can also check your activity schedule tasks on the scheduler library. So wait for the result. Now here you can see my system is automatically shutting down at my given time 5. The time you can see on my Windows system watch on taskbar. Thanks for watching. I hope you like the video. Thank you so much for your love and support.